Learn how to manage external meeting tool links on a YoCoach-based platform. First, click on Manage Settings to access the platform configuration options. Following this, click on Meeting Tools to configure your video conference settings. Following that, toggle the external link status switch to enable the meeting tool. To add an external meeting link, log into the teacher account. Now click on Account Settings to access and manage your profile information. Enter your meeting link in the Meeting Link field to connect your sessions. Following that, click the Save button to store your account settings changes. Next, click on Lessons to add an external meeting link for a specific lesson. Now click the meeting schedule icon to add an external meeting link. Now enter the external meeting link URL in the Meeting Link field. Afterwards, click the Submit button to add the external meeting link to the lesson. In the same way, we can add external link in group classes too. Simplify online lesson scheduling and meeting links with YoCoach.